These soft and chewy lemon crinkle cookies are so simple to make and pack a huge lemon flavour punch, the perfect way to brighten up anyone's day. Let's get started. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add the cake flour, baking powder and salt. Use a whisk to combine and set that aside. Now, if you're looking for the full written recipe, it's over on my website at scran.com. I have loads of great recipes you can check out over there for free. Next, in a separate bowl, we're going to add the sugar and lemon zest. Using clean hands, you're going to rub the lemon zest into the sugar. It's going to release all the oils and my goodness, your kitchen is going to smell so amazing. Once you've done that, you're going to add some melted and cooled butter and whisk to combine. Then add the eggs, whisk, and lastly add the lemon juice and whisk. Pour the dry ingredients into the bowl and use a spatula to mix until the dough forms with no dry ingredients showing. Now this dough is actually really runny. It's more like a cake batter than a cookie batter. And in fact, the texture of this cookie is more cakey than it is traditional cookie. Once you've mixed everything, cover it with a plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Preheat a fan forced oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking trays with baking paper. You're going to use a large scoop, which is about 3 tablespoons in mixture, to scoop out 7 cookie balls. Now, if you want more cookie balls, you can just use a smaller scoop. Use your hands to roll these into balls. A trick to making sure that the powdered sugar doesn't dissolve is to coat these in caster sugar first, otherwise known as superfine sugar. Then coat it in powdered sugar. Place them on 2 baking trays and bake for 10 minutes in the middle rack of your oven. You're going to get that lovely crinkle effect. These cookies are so aromatic. They're a great cookie to just bake on the weekend, but they also make a great holiday time baking cookie gift idea. Let these cool before serving. Now, if you want to know more about this recipe, I've written up a whole bunch of handy tips and tricks for recipe success on scran.com. Head over there. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.